What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Tay Trades, man, and I just wanted to make a quick video as the week has started. And already, man, the action, at least for Bitcoin, the action never stops. You know what I'm saying? Bitcoin trades 24 hours each and every day, right? So, um, I think since I last made a video, price has been moving higher. Uh, Now I was looking for. This is what I mean by like already the week has the weekend was crazy, right? So I didn't get a chance to take this trade due to not being able to trade weekends on my prop firm. I should have chose it, but I didn't choose that option. But I didn't think I would be trading Bitcoin at the time. So it is what it is. Let me just go over that trade real quick. So during the weekend, as you can see, Saturday, right? So we had buy side here. Price ran into this fair value gap on the 1 hour, and then pushed up, and then took out this low, took out sell side here, and then we kind of made relatively equal lows after making relatively equal highs. So I figured price wants to come back and take out this liquidity here at some point in time when it took off. I was thinking maybe it run buy side and then possibly move higher to take out this higher time frame buy side, and then we start moving. This could be a long-term target, or price runs buy side and then come take out the sell side. But given the price action, if it does run this high and it makes a low and then it continues, then that new high will be sell side liquidity, and only way it would take out this sell side liquidity is if it wanted to change trend totally. And as you can see, we're starting to sell. I might actually get in for a sale here, to be honest, now that the week is open. Because, and I'll tell you why. We've, as you can see, look at the 4 hour big rejection, takes out sell side liquidity. We tap this fair value gap, right? But I don't think price is looking to really move higher. So this is now new sell side. Stop losses are below here for all the buyers who decided to get in for buys. Um, and there was another thing too. We got this 4 hour fair value gap right below those lows. So that was another thing. So once price pushed up here, as you can see, and then it sold off. I didn't get to catch any of that. And I know I'm explaining it beforehand, but just to prove that I was looking for this to already happen, here's the proof in the pudding. Um, as you can see, this is my notes. I was explaining here's Bitcoin trade. I'm not gonna be able to trade, etc., etc. But we had that 4 hour rejection at the time, so I just wanted to see. That was the trade idea that I had. To see if price would take out the lows, and that would have been my entry, the 15-minute time frame. It did pull back. If I was able to take this trade, that's where I would have got in at. And then it gave another fair value gap right here, and I would have got in for a second entry there. So I just wanted to show y'all guys that real quick so that y'all know that I'm not speaking after the fact that it happened. So with that being said, given that price ran this high here and it's looking like it's going to sell, and then the 4 hour time frame, we're having very big rejections, like big major rejection here. There's some major rejection here. Uh, and looking at the daily, if you look at the daily, we have like a okay. So this is very interesting. So on this candlestick on the daily time frame, it took out both low and high of this candlestick. My chart is kind of messy. Let's clear it up for a quick second. Let's see. Move 11 drawings. Okay, so as you can see, price took out the high here and the low over here. And I think I learned this from ICT, but what he said was, and no, but I did learn this from ICT. He said that at times, or he learned from somebody else, that whenever a candlestick overruns the full candlestick before it, if it runs both sides of the high and low, then you could possibly see it reverse. And I've kind of noticed that a lot. It rarely happens, and so that's how you know. Like most 9 times out of 10, when you see it, it's gonna reverse because it rarely happens. Like you rarely see price take out both ends of a candlestick unless it's getting ready to reverse. Like right here, price was pushing up, and then it overtook both. So what it do? It reversed for the sale, right? It reversed a little bit. Look at this big old wick. Like these are rare instances for real. And when it did do that, price pushed up and then immediately reversed, right? When it did that, it pushed up, reversed back, and then boom, 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 right? But to really see that is it's not really normal. Like those instances you see it, but whenever it does that, you can kind of anticipate price reversing. So given that we've been getting close to this high and we've been pushing up and we kind of took out a lot of liquidity, old lows here, and then now it's kind of consolidating, right, a bit. I would definitely, and we got a daily fair value gap here. So even if price wants to come take out buy side, right? Price wants to take out buy side here because we don't know what price want to do. So I just trade like the lower time frame. But if it does want to take out buy side here, maybe price wants to fill in this gap and then move higher. So that's like a higher time frame target. But I just wanna see those inner what's the word, internal structures get taken out. So I wouldn't be necessarily trying to take a swing trade to there. Plus, like I said, because that's a higher time frame fair value gap, we never know what or how long it may take for that to get filled. Um, so I take the smaller targets. But with that being said, yeah. So let's put the drawings back. Now that I've done showing you guys that, let's put the drawings back real quick. Boom. All right, boom. Yeah. So we getting the 4 hour is looking heavily bearish. I think we're gonna run this low. So I might see we might get an actual trade live, man. We might get a trade live. Look at that 15-minute reversal, unless price is coming to take out this and then reverse. But given that, because this is 15-minute, it's definitely 15-minute sell side liquidity. Given that we took out highs here and we take out this high here, it stops here. So maybe price wants to run this 15-minute sell side and then reverse. But I mean, just looking at this 4 hour, it's plenty of rejections. So we'll see. Now, what I want to see though, if I do take this trade, is I want to see price take out this low, but I want to see us close below that low. If we get a fair value gap, if this candlestick can close below this low, or maybe even reject. If it rejects, if it pushes down below and runs this low and rejects, but there's a fair value gap. Okay, like here we go, we got one right here. So we got a fair value gap right here. I might take this sell. Honestly, I'm not gonna lie. And if I lose, I mean I lose. It's early, it's Sunday. Honestly, the real sale, which I missed because the market was still closed. This is Sunday at 7 o'clock. This was okay. This was just a few minutes ago. So actually, I did kind of miss the sale. But if I wanted to actually take the sale, it would have been to catch this here, catch the pullback here, and then run the sell side. So, but we missed that. Definitely missed that. Stop loss would have been up here, and then that's probably and then that's a one. That's like almost like a 1 or 2. I'm kind of adjusting the 1 or 2s, but once again, like money is money, profit is profit. You get a 1 or 2, you risk $20, you make, you know, almost that. Sometimes that feel like kind of like a low quality trade, so to say. But I mean, people kill it with 1 to 1s. People kill it with 1 or 2s. So at the end of the day, money is money, bro. Like if I deny myself of this trade and then I didn't take it and it won, who really lost? I lost because I didn't like the risk to reward, bro. You still would have won regardless. So, but yeah, man, I'm liking what price is showing me right now. So I want to see how this candlestick and the next candlestick afterwards reacts to after taking out the sell side, because we can close pretty strong or reject, close, and then if we can get another candlestick to close or reject, close, and kind of push up a little bit and then push down. Like if the next candlestick after this candlestick's done, if it opens up, pushes up but don't tap into that 5 minute, or it does tap into the 5 minute and then closes down below, I might take that. I'm not gonna lie, I might take that. Because we'll get a fair value gap on the 15-minute time frame. I could wait for price to tap that 15-minute, but we kind of already got it on the 5 minute. So given price just run this little push back up, we might have ourselves a trade to take on Bitcoin. Yeah, man, it's looking sweet. And then my TP will be here. This is why I would TP for sure. I wouldn't even want to swing it all the way to this low. I would probably just TP here. I am bearish on Bitcoin. I am bearish on Bitcoin. I think we do have plenty of downside to cover. And then this is now, if it does continue to sell, this is also sell side on the higher time frame. This is 4-hour sell side, which might possibly line up with the daily fair value gap. Yes, sir. Look at that. Look at that, man. I tell you, price is crazy. So this is major sell side. That 4-hour is major sell side. So like I was saying earlier, if price wants to fill in this fair value gap, it would have to take out 4-hour sell side. So that is man, aligned perfectly. Aligned so perfectly. So yeah, we'll see. But I mean, that could be the moves for this week. We don't know how Bitcoin is gonna react this week, but we could see major selling. Given that we've had the pullback. What am I trying to do? I'm trying to delete this. That's what I'm trying to do. Boom. All right. So excited to see, man. Let me see real quick, man. I might stay on this, man. Okay, boom. 15 minutes left within this. Boom. 5-minute closed. Trading a 5-minute on Bitcoin is crazy. Trade logger. Yeah, we might be getting a trade live. Man. We might be getting a trade live, y'all. Let's see. Trading the 5-minute on Bitcoin is kind of crazy. And whenever I go to the 5-minute on Bitcoin, it's like a stock chart with all these gaps. It's not as clean. Come on, buddy. I'm not gonna lie, man. I think that we might catch us a nice sell setup. We do got a fair value gap here on a 15-minute time frame that I can also aim for. Instead of aiming for these lows, I might take that fair value gap. Because that's one hell of a trade, y'all. If I get in here, stop losses up here somewhere, that's one hell of a trade. I don't want to catch the full move. The full move might not even happen. All right, so, and there's a 1-hour fair value gap right here as well. So, and another one here. It might be coming to take this. I mean, look, man, so many confluences, so many targets the price can be looking for. So let's get off Bitcoin for a minute, though. But that's kind of like what I'm looking to see on Bitcoin. We've already got that, missed that sale as well. Now the market is pushed up, and then as the week begins now with the rest of the other currencies, let's see what price action has for us now. Also, let's see if is that a swing. That's also a swing high that's been put in too. All right, we got a high to the left, high here, and then a lower high to the right on both sides. And push up, push down. I said the 4-hour is pretty strong, but we got to be careful because it could respect this 4-hour, this gap, one of these gaps, and then push higher. Who knows, man? Who knows? Let's get rid of this gap though. I like to keep my charts clean. As far as having my sell side and buy side marked. So boom, that's been run already. This sell side has been run already. Just kind of keep the chart clean. This is higher time frame buy side liquidity here. Boom, and we got higher time frame sell side. Let's see, man. Let's push higher. It's pushing higher in. It's pushing into that fair value gap. I said the real sell would have been to try to catch the sell side here. So let's see, man. I'm gonna be a little patient. It's still 8 o'clock. Now, as far as EA is selling too. Yeah, EA is selling too. I wanted to show y'all what I think about EA. So EA has made that low here. This is now new sell side. And if we are going to continue to be bearish, I think price is going to run here now. Once again, we had the fair value gap here. We got another fair value gap here. Doesn't tap this one. Fills this one to the utmost that it possibly could. Runs the high. And then now we're seeing this 4-hour candlestick sell lower. I think I might trade London session because I'm liking what I'm seeing here as well. All right, we took the high. And now we've taken out this. So I think price might come take the sell side, but if it does do that, if it runs this, right, we see this move here where it pulls back, fills a gap, and then run the sell side. I'm going to be expecting price to then come take buy side. So I might catch the sell, or I might be looking for the buy to then run this buy side here as bait. It's kind of like creating bait. Kind of looking at the market as it's creating bait, right? So people are selling here. Stop losses are being moved here. They think they see this close, and then price moves here, rejects it, fails to run lower, and then comes run this buy side, and then move lower. Come fill in this gap, move lower. So, or it can just keep selling here, but eventually I will be looking to see that high get taken out. So that's kind of what I'm looking for. But so far, I mean, there's nothing to trade just yet. Prices has dumped a lot, man. Let's see. That's a 60 pip drop. Let's go to the 15. And actually, I was too busy, I think, watching a football game. I should have been on point. Yeah, I should have been on point, y'all. Cause I ain't gonna lie, if I was on point, 510, we ran this high. We had this nice run here, and price pushed up. I could have got this sell. Cause I would have been looking for this I was looking for this to reverse, honestly. And then I could have gotten it for the sell here, right when it pushed up. And then we could have ran for these relatively equal lows here. That's a 1 or 3. Or I could have took it to this last low here, or to this low here for a 1 or 6. It's kind of like hindsight, but more than likely, I would have just took these lows here. I would have went for this target. That's a 1 or 3. That's more than enough for me, because this is the recent sell side. Once you take buy side, make a new high, this becomes sell side. So I would have just took the low to here and then been done. So we missed that. It's all good. Price is moving. I think higher time frame, it wants to come and take out this wick below here. So yeah, 1 hour just closed pretty strong. 4 hours still got an hour left. So we'll see how London looks, man. We'll see how London looks. See what's going on with Bitcoin. See if my trade locker did it lock in. Let's go to the 5-minute. So yeah, it's pushing off. I'm gonna trade lock in trade. Trade lock is taking his precious time. Oh, so I might miss this. Look at that, man. Come on, trade locker, bro. What you doing, man? I can do it on my phone. I gotta execute on my phone. Let's see, man. Honestly, I might wait, because we already running this low. I don't know if I want to take a sell here. Actually, I might take the sell here. You take the sell here, we'll be, let's see, boom. Stop loss will probably be right below this high. Maybe run it to here. Man, I really don't like to try to force trades or catch price. It looks nice, but I also don't want to hesitate. I mean, we got confirmation. This low would be a perfect TP target. 4 hour. 4 hours definitely probably coming to take out this low here. Honestly, to be honest, I think we're gonna take that. I think I'm gonna swing this. Yeah, let's do it. Bitcoin, boom. Where am I gonna put my stop loss? I'll probably put the stop loss here. We're gonna go for a higher swing. We're gonna go stop loss here, and we're gonna go for this. We're gonna go for the higher time frame target. The week just started, so I think that would be a nice trade to see price run out this sell side here. I think that's what I want to go with. Yeah, let's see. Stop loss. Right there. TP. Will be this 4 hour low, right? Let's see. Yeah, so that's like a 1 or 2, y'all. Yeah, that's a 1 or 2. Let's go. 4. Wait. What you doing, man? What you doing, cuz? Why is it tweaking like that? Let's go. Boom. Bitcoin is dumping, y'all, man. It's dumping. Up here. TP. Right there. Nope, too much. I don't really want to risk that either. $21. Yeah, let's take it. And we are now in the trade. You know what? Yeah, that's to that low. It looks a lot more on your mind, but we're in it. We're in it. I like that. See it pushed up. It's not gonna give us no 15 minute price target, so that's cool. We might get another pullback, small pullback, but we're in. Let's go. That's how the 1 hour look. What's the 15? Yeah. Okay. Cool. Yeah. So we're in this trade. We are currently in this trade. See, I caught that live. Nothing on EA, y'all. Nothing on EA. So I might hit y'all back up for EA maybe around like 11, 12. I want to see what it's like during London, maybe even 1. Today is just Sunday though, man. It's so early. It's still so early. As far as for the forex market, it's still so early. We did run this buy side here. It's kind of relatively high, so I want to see what price can do. Because price can really run here. I might take partials here. Because price might just run this low, fail, and push back up. But I think we're gonna see downside. Daily time frame with 4 hour time frame, we've been rejecting this area heavily. Um, and then on the daily, it gave us that reversal candlestick. So I'm relying on those confirmations. This is also that daily low, that low for that sell side. Right, price target. If it's bullish, it always wants to run out the high, as always. Right, make the low. This is a high. Makes a low, makes the high, and then pushes down, takes out that next high. All right, makes a new high, pushes down, runs that high again, and then once again runs down, runs that. Well, it makes a new high, but looks like we're gonna go and change this trend. And so, with that being said, then we're gonna start taking out new lows, make a new low, pull back up, and then we're gonna look for that lows to continue to take out previous daily lows as we make them. And to do that, that will be another big confirmation. So, yeah, man, we're in sales. We're in BTC sales. TP is here. I'm not going to swing trade it. Probably could swing trade it. Uh, Probably should swing trade it. That might be uh, crazy. And I can do that for the channel. Swing trade Bitcoin all the way till it comes to take out this, tap this fair value gap. But we don't necessarily know what price is going to do. That's why I like to take my smaller targets. So we'll see, man. We'll see. We shall see. Yeah, we shall see, man. But we are indeed in this trade. Let's see trade logger. I can probably confirm real quick. Bitcoin, there we go. Okay, so yeah, as y'all can see, I am currently my positions over here. I am currently in Bitcoin. Usually the marker shows my trade, but for some reason it has not yet. But y'all can see it down here. So yeah, man, I'll keep y'all updated. We're in Bitcoin sales. Um, I might look at EA later on tonight. If not, I might not trade EA. I might wait till Monday or Tuesday to see what we do. So yeah, man, we caught a trade live. Let's see, man. Let's see how it goes. It's your boy Meech Dog, man, aka it's your boy Tay Trades, though, man. And I'm out. Peace.